object is displaced by, then find the work done. This is very fundamental question. Find the work done by force. This is the force, this is the displacement. Then what is the work done by the force? This is very fundamental model of doing the work done questions. Okay. So this is a constant force Stevens. If you can observe, this is a constant force. Okay, na? This is constant force, because 3, 4, 5 all are constant values only, nothing is variable. So it's a constant force. Then what is the work done by constant force? Like we can write down, work done by constant force is, work done by constant force, I can write down as what? Work done by constant force is equal to, so directly we can write down F bar dot S bar, no need of any dW, no need of any integration. When integration is needed when force is variable. So work done should be a number, not a vector quantity. So dot product, no, it should be simply number. So then F bar, what is F bar vector is 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap. Am I right? Dot product with, yeah, it's a dot product, okay. It's a dot product with what? S bar, what is S bar is? I cap plus j cap minus k cap. So what is the dot product? Minus 6 joules, okay. How to go for dot product? x1, x2, you have to multiply the coefficients of I cap. So dot product is nothing but multiply the coefficients of I cap. Here 1 is there. So 1 and 3, so 3 into 1, okay, plus multiply the coefficients of j cap. Here 1, here minus 4 into 1 plus coefficients 1 and 5 and minus 1, 5 into minus 1, x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2. Okay na? So then work done is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 5, which is minus 6 joules. See, force is in Newton and displacement is in meter. So what is the SI unit of work done? Remember units, okay? SI unit of work done is joule. So joule is nothing but Newton meter. Whereas in CGS it is ergs. Work done unit is erg. Erg is nothing but dyne. Yes, very good. Force is in dynes and displacement is in centimeters. Ergs are dyne centimeter. So try to go with this formula. I think most of the people remember this formula. x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2. That is the work done formula. x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap one vector. x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap is other vector. Dot product is multiply the coefficients of I cap, multiply the coefficients of j cap, multiply the coefficients of k cap. I think you remember this. Second example. There is a block of mass m, okay na? One block of mass m is connected by a string. This is a string, let us say string, okay. Now I am supposing that if this block is coming down with acceleration g by 4, block is coming down with acceleration g by 4, okay na? So we are lowering the block is lowered by the help of string with an acceleration g by 4, okay na? If block starts from rest, find the work done by tension in first 2 seconds. Think about it carefully and solve the question. Understood the question? See, we are lowering the block, something like this. See, I am taking this remote downward. So I am not releasing. If I release, what is the acceleration of the remote? G, acceleration due to gravity. But I am not releasing. So I am slowly lowering the block. Means what is the acceleration? Acceleration is downward but not G. Okay, here also same case. We are lowering the block by the help of string with what acceleration? G by 4. If block is starting from the rest, then what is the work done by tension in first 2 seconds? Think about it carefully, then questions will be something like this. Not like previous question. Previous question I have given everything. I have given force, I have given displacement, I asked for work done. But in this question it is not like that. I have not given displacement, I have not given the force value also. Okay, so both you have to find out. Okay, first of all, see, work done by tension. Question, if you observe carefully, work done by tension value they are asking. So do you know the tension? What is the tension value? No. So we have to find out the tension value first. The second thing is, they are asking for the first 2 seconds. Again, displacement in first 2 seconds. Work done in first 2 seconds. What then? To calculate the work done in first 2 seconds, we require the displacement. We require displacement in first 2 seconds. Do we know the displacement? No. See, you understood the difference now? You understood the difference between the previous question now? Previous question is what? Have given force, ready made. Have given displacement, ready made. Then what you have to do? You have to apply the formula. But in this question, force is not given, displacement is not given. Then what we have to do? We have to find out the force value. We have to find out the displacement value also. Let us see what is the tension value first. Let us calculate tension value. This is T. On the block, what is the force acting? mg. Block is coming down with acceleration g by 4. Block is accelerating downward. Then in Newton's laws of motion already we learnt. Then how to find out the tension value? mg minus T is equal to m into acceleration. Then mg minus T is equal to m into acceleration is g by 4. Okay, na? So I can find out the T value. So then mg minus mg by 4 is equal to T. Then this is how much? 3 mg by 4 is equal to T, tension. That is the tension value. Tension value is equal to 3 mg by 4. So I got the force value. Next, what we have to find out? We have to find out the displacement. What is the displacement in first 2 seconds? So displacement, to calculate the displacement, now acceleration is constant or not? Acceleration is constant acceleration. So I can use kinematic equations. S is equal to, what is the equation? Ut plus half AT square. So as it is accelerating downward, starting from rest, so displacement also in downward direction. Displacement is downward direction, okay? So S value is equal to, starting from rest. What is the meaning of starting from rest? U is equal to 0. So 0 plus half into, what is the acceleration? G by 4 into time is 2 seconds square. So what is the displacement I can write down? Displacement I can write down G by 2 meter. 4 and 4 cancel out. Then what is the work done value I can find out now? How to calculate the work done value? So work done by tension is equal to work done by tension force. Work done by tension force is, how to write down? F bar dot S bar, because it's a constant force, Fs cos theta. So all of you did mistake because no answer is of minus. Every answer I got positive only here. Okay, let us see now. What is the force value? Tension. Displacement value. Cos of, what is the angle between the tension and displacement? See, I am lowering the block. I am lowering the block means block is going downward. Then displacement is in downward direction. Tension is in upward direction. Then what is the angle between the force and displacement? 180. Yeah, it's 180 degree. You have to write down the angle also. If you are leaving the angle, then you will get automatically mistake. So what is the work done value I can write down? Tension value is how much? Tension value is 3 mg by 4. Tension value is equal to 3 mg by 4. Displacement is g by 2 cos 180 minus 1. Okay, so work done by tension. So W by T. Work done by tension is equal to, what I can write down? Finally, minus 3 mg square by 8. Obviously what? Joules. So everything is MKS unit. If you want, you can take. Acceleration is meter per second square. Okay, na? So the tension value will become Newton. Displacement will become in terms of meters. So work done by tension is minus 3 mg square by 8. So next example, So there is a hemisphere. There is a fixed hemisphere. Okay. What is the meaning of hemisphere? Hemisphere means half of the sphere, hollow sphere, bowl, hemispherical bowl. Okay. So this is what? Fixed hemispherical ball. Okay, na? Fixed hemispherical ball. Now in this, there is one object is kept, one more sphere is kept, very small sphere, and what the radius of this ball is? The radius of the ball is r. Radius of the ball is r. Now this object, this whatever ball is there, okay, so always we are applying the force F. Horizontal force F is applied always in such a way that this ball will go up to what position? Will go up to this position. From here to here it is moving. So you can say that this is the initial position and this is final position in the journey. So it is pulled in this way, it is moving in this way as it is pulling. And how the force is acting? Force always act horizontal, something like this. When ball is here, how the force is acting? The force is acting horizontally. Here also force is acting horizontally. Force is always horizontal. Okay. By applying, see, I am writing the question like this. I explained the question. Now I am writing the question. By applying horizontal force F, ball is taken from A position to B position, let us say. A to B along the inner surface. A to B along the inner surface. It has taken along the inner surface, inside the ball. Inside the ball it is moved upward. Hope you understood. Then find the work done by force F. Force magnitude is F. What the direction of the force is? Always towards right, horizontal force. But how the object is moving? Object is moving along the curved line. Along the surface it is moving. This is initial position, this is final. Initial to final, what is the work done by this constant force? So what is the work done by constant force? I can write down. Work done by constant force. I think you are copying. You are copying the question. What is the work done by constant force is? F bar dot S bar. Think from this formula. I told that work done by constant force, F bar dot S bar. Am I right? So let us see that. Work done by F bar dot S bar is nothing but work done by constant force. I can write down Fs cos theta, where F is the force that we know. Displacement we have to see, and angle between the force and displacement. What the displacement means? Simple logic you need to follow here. What is the displacement? Draw a vector from initial to final. This is the displacement. That is the displacement. Now what is the displacement value? How to find out the displacement value? What is the displacement value? This is r, this is r. I think now you are getting some answers, right? Okay, na? So it is something like this, r and r. Then what the displacement is? This is the displacement. This is the displacement vector, you can say. Okay, so what the displacement magnitude is? R and r, this will be how much? Root to r is the displacement. Okay, this is the displacement. See, I am giving gap so that you people think about it. Okay, but how the force is acting? Force is acting in this direction. Then what is the angle between the force and displacement? This is r and r, means this angle is 45. Then what this angle goes to? 45. So what is the angle between the displacement and force? The angle between the displacement and force is 45. So then I can write down all the things. Force is F only, displacement is root to r, cos of what is the angle between them is 45. All of you okay? Then what is the work done? I can write down F into what is that? Root to r, cos 45, 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel out. Work done is nothing but simply F into r. So I have taken the displacement. I know the force. I have taken the displacement. Just I applied angle between the force and displacement. That's it. Nothing else.